Here we go.
Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Coleman County in north-central Alabama, southwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over in Manfield, or 14 miles north of Arley, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartselle, Southfield, Sardis, Vinemont, Bailey, West Point, Eva, Fairview, Cold Springs, and Battleground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.